Did you know your iPhone has a built-in feature that can translate almost anything on your screen with just a single tap? Most people have no idea this exists, yet it works inside almost every app: WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, Safari, Mail, Notes, and even screenshots. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use it and why this feature is a game changer for everyday users. We all come across foreign languages online. Maybe you're scrolling through social media, chatting with someone from another country, reading news, or trying to understand a phrase in a different language. Instead of copying text, switching apps, and pasting it into a translator, iPhone has a hidden shortcut that makes translations instant. First, make sure the feature is turned on. Go to Settings, scroll to General, and tap Language and Region. Under Preferred Languages, make sure English is at the top, or whatever language you want translations to appear in. Below that, ensure that translation is enabled. If not, simply toggle it on. Now here's the magic. Whenever you see foreign text, just tap and hold on it. A menu will appear with the option Translate. Tap it, and your iPhone will immediately translate the selected text right on the spot. No extra apps, no copy-paste, no switching screens. If you want even more convenience, look for the Add to Dictionary and Replace options, which let you save phrases or swap them directly into your text. But what about apps that don't let you select text, like Instagram images or screenshots? Simple, use Live Text. Just open an image with foreign text, tap the live text icon, select the text, and translate instantly. This feature is incredibly helpful when traveling, studying a new language, reading documents, or communicating with international friends. And the best part is, it's already built into your iPhone, no downloads needed. So next time you see text you don't understand, just tap and translate. It's one of the simplest, smartest iPhone tricks that everyone should know. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.